Social Collaboration Services for SolidWorks provides users on active subscription with a wide range of apps connecting you to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. In this first look, you will see several of these social and collaborative apps and how you can leverage them to create, share, and ideate throughout the entire design process, keeping you and your team connected from anywhere in the world. Dashboards are the cornerstone of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, allowing you to selectively choose and display the information that is most relevant to you and your organization in one convenient location. This information is composed and displayed by simply dragging and dropping apps from the compass to any dashboard, creating a uniquely tailored view. 3D Swim is one such app and a foundation of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. 3D Swim allows you to build communities for any task to share and collaborate on ideas and information. These tasks allow all chosen members of your team to share information like they would on any social platform. The 3D Drive app is a cloud-based file and synchronous storage solution that is deeply connected to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. From within the dashboard app, you can easily add, access, and share your engineering content as desired. It's also intelligent in that it understands the relationships established within SolidWorks between the different files you create. Finally, visualizing and understanding your engineering designs is a crucial part of the ideation process. 3D Play is an app that allows you to display and collaborate on engineering designs from anywhere on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. 3D Play is dynamic and updates as your engineering designs change. Everything done on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is about creating a collaborative experience for you and your team. This means you can choose to share any content you create with any members of your organization also on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Once shared with other users, they can then add this content to their own dashboards and can immediately start participating in the creative process by suggesting new ideas and eliciting feedback from the rest of the organization. This ensures that everyone is always on the same page and involved in their relevant projects. Ultimately, Social Collaboration Services for SolidWorks allows you to connect your traditional desktop experience within SolidWorks to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Integrated directly into SolidWorks, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform add-in allows you to access all of your information from the 3DEXPERIENCE platform right from within SolidWorks. This workflow allows you to combine the power of SolidWorks to quickly create and edit your engineering designs with the collaborative features of the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. As your ideas progress, you can share information with your design team on the 3D Swim community to share feedback instantaneously. Your team can see your social posts and weigh in on your ideas and the design process in real time, enabling a truly collaborative experience. Meanwhile, changes to the engineering files are updated through 3D Drive, and your interactive content shared through the 3D Play app is always up to date. As you've seen in this first look at Social Collaboration Services for SolidWorks, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform enables a truly connected experience for your organization through an ecosystem of apps and customizable content tailored to your organization's specific needs. To learn more about Social Collaboration Services for SolidWorks, visit solidworks.com or contact your local SolidWorks reseller.